You know, how are you, brother? Long time no see.
Long time.
Uy, yun no?
Ayan na, meet up, no team up. Ayan.
Team up daw.
Ha? Thank you again, Cotton Yonder and Three Strokes for making this video happen. Meeting up with Christian and also RV. Brother, thank you for hosting.
Thank you, brother. Hanep.
Walang laman yan, pang video lang. Alright, so for today's video, meet up, pero no team up. We're meeting up with old friends. Actually, si RV. Yan, si RV is my brother's friend from work. Tapos small world, yung meeting again, si attorney Christian Mendoza, who is my former college batchmate. And we are playing here in Riviera Couples Course. Ang aming host, thank you attorney. Attorney na, brother. Brother, don't leave me hanging.
May si ano pala? Si Nina.
Nina, ang
Rose.
aming mga kadi. Rose,
Si Grace yung...
si Grace, tsaka si Nadine. Okay. Ako sa Navy talaga kasi Makati ako tsaka Makati.
Wow, nice shot.
Tayo lang.
The golf course. Nag-offer sila ng unlimited golf. For right, for right! Kanan lang. For right! Tinangay ng hangin. Alright, so for today's video, it's been a while since I played here in Riviera, individual score. Although, the challenge now, bumabagyo. Well, or bumagyo. So medyo hindi pala medyo malakas talaga yung hangin ngayon. So the challenge now is to try to break 80 here in Riviera Couples. The past rounds kasi it's always been scramble ang laro namin. So, yan. Susubukan natin ng to break 80. So like, comment if you think I can break 80 here in Riviera. Alright, so for my second shot, I'm left with 105 yards to the flag. Pero malakas yung against the wind. So I'm hitting a 50 pala. 56 degree short to.
Okay lang.
Okay, that was a terrible second shot. Sobrang chunk. Parang nagmamadali. Di pa tapos yung swing. Pumalo na ako.
Shot. Okay lang.
Sobrang lakas naman. Akala ko tatangayin ng hangin. I went over. That's for my par.
Bali. Bali.
That's good, that's good.
Nice spot.
Okay, hole number 2. 507 yards. And finally, sun is coming out. I'm currently 1 over. Umaangat din.
Uy, nice shot. Layo. Layo ah.
In the middle. Parang ano. Okay, 280 still to the flag. Course management lang, aiming for that house. Around 230 yards.
Nice shot. Nice draw. More.
Pinapa-fade ko yun na nag-draw. At least nasa pero eh. Okay, landed. Dun sa may card sign. Fairway. Third shot. Left with 85 yards. Against the wind. 90 yards.
Nice shot. Okay lang. Okay.
Okay, 13 yards. Landed short. Right to left. Medyo mabilis.
Okay lang.
Hina.
Alright, so I have this putt for my par. 6 paces, right to left. We're giving it a little over a cup lang. Pumasok nga! Yan, sa loob lang yung bola niya, no?
Opo. Go! Go!
Regular lang.
Bogey.
Uy! Alright, so currently 2 over. 348 yards. Slightly dog leg right. Aim is that cart sign.
I shot! Diretso. Wow.
Okay, landed right off that cart sign. Ganda. Kaliwa lang. Okay. Okay, good shot. Yan si RV. Yan si Tim. That is his, I think, third shot. Around 170 to the flag. Ganda. Patong. Short lang. Okay, for my second shot, left with 103 yards to the flag. Slightly against the wind. Kaliwa to eh, di ba? Hindi ko makita yun. Okay. Hitting a full 60-degree wedge.
Nice shot.
Go! Short yata.
Okay lang. Green pa din.
Okay, we are putting for birdie. 6 paces, slightly uphill. We're giving it 1 cup left to right.
Mali.
Left inside pwede.
Kanan siya eh. Nice par.
tingin mo kanan, tingin ko kaliwa. Diretso pala. Okay, hole number 4. Currently 2 over. Slightly dog leg right. So aim for that antenna.
Yun.
Nice shot.
Doon pala yung hole.
Wow.
Yung ganda.
Nice one.
Nice shot. A little right lang. Left with 160 yards to the flag. Slightly against the fan. Playing it short lang with an 8 iron.
Okay lang. Nice shot pa din. Over.
Sabi ko
Naw-
bago ko
nawala
pumasok
nga,
ng wicket,
sir.
di ba? Parang short naman masyado 9. Okay, landed left.
Ano eh?
Patong. Okay, very long putt for birdie. 30 yards. 30 paces. Kailangan ko lang sana malapit to.
Bale. Bale. Okay lang.
Tim. For par. Pasok! Uy! Nice putt, brother.
Go!
Okay, so Attorney Christian for par. Abot! Abot! Atras! Ah, sayang. Okay, hole number 5. Currently 3 over already. B2B. 418 yards. So the aim is, yan yung antenna.
Ayun tuloy.
Eh, bumalik, bumalik, brother. Bumalik, bumalik.
Bumalik
Tapos,
daw.
yan.
Oh,
Okay,
nice
cut lang.
shot.
Pero safe naman. Parang safe ba?
Cut na cut ay.
Safe.
Nice shot! Diretsong, diretso.
Left with 185 yards to the flag. With the wind slightly crosswind. Sana enough ang 8 iron.
Nice! Nice shot! Okay lang. Hindi na.
Lakas ng hangin. Hindi nag-drop. Doon mamatay. 198 iron sa mobra pa rin. Lakas ng hangin. Okay. This is to go up and down for par. Yun na pala sobra. Pin high lang. Lakas ng hangin. 11 yards left to right. Giving it one grip.
Nice shot! Wow.
Pag hindi daw na-shoot ni Christian to, change player.
Ayan.
O, sige, palit na tayo ng putter. Ako, sige, try ko nga. Patry nga ako nito.
Ganda yun.
Inaahin. Hindi talaga ito yung gusto ko talaga eh. Kino-consider ko talagang kunin to eh.
Nice par. Sold out.
Ang bigat kasi ng ulo niya.
Bus number 6. Currently still. Ganda! Ganda! Go! Go!
Nice shot! Wow, nice on.
Okay, right off the pin.
Nice shot!
Ganda. Uy, pasok! Pasok! Sayang!
Tigan na.
Tayo, 9 paces. Right to left. To go 2 over for birdie.
Go! Go!
Go, go.
Ah! Birdie!
Birdie. Sakto yung natin na din. Okay, change player. Bakit? Pabasa. Nagtuto pa kami kanina eh.
Good read. Pasok din! Pasok din! Ay, malakas. Timber par. Bali, malakas lang. Okay, hole number 7. That was a good birdie. I am now 2 over. So the aim here, dog leg, with the wind, so aim for that antenna.
Okay lang. Okay.
Nasa Riviera lang yun, ano?
Opo.
Pag hindi nag-fade, okay, aim. I landed left of that tree. Oh, kung kailangan nyo ng coach caddy, magaling magturo. Hindi, magaling magturo to si Nina. She knows what she's talking about. Mukha lang bata. Mukha siyang 18 pero matagal na rin siya nagka-caddy. Diba Nadine? Mapakita mo yung number mo sa likod. 28... Posing pa. 286 ba? Oh, diba? Sipag ni Nina. Bilis tumakbo. Pinagpalit na ako ng caddy ko. May iba na siyang binibidyohan. Ganda. Paid pa rin Okay, for my second shot, left with 257 yards to the flag. With the wind. Magulong naman to, alam ko sa baba nun. Nakikita yung hybrid.
Wow. Okay lang. Okay lang, sir. Over ng punong malaki dun sa dulo.
Okay, pulled it. Alam ko naman kakaliwa, kulang lang. Dun daw sa mga shadows niya. This is my third shot. Left with 40 yards to the flag. With the wind, kahit tirang mga 30.
Ay, kaliwa.
Nice. On. Stop.
Malakas, malakas.
I went over. Sige, please. Went over. That was a very good, terrible pitch. 14 paces. Ha?
Go!
Oh, tama nga. Dalawang cup na.
Kasi chipping eh. Kung putter yun, malaki.
Kinikip ko na sa sarili ko.
Nice par.
Hole number 8. Currently still over. 200 plus yards to the flag. Lagi ako. Medyo against the wind, so I'm hitting a hybrid. Yun!
Yo! Nice shot.
Finally, uminit na.
Last time na naman ng bola, sabi niya sa kalin. Sabi naman kami nakadik.
Nice shot. Draw. Konti pa. More. Ala ka. Over.
Yun!
Lakas.
Sobrang lakas. Sobrang lakas. Eh, that's for my par. Up, hirap, up, down. 8 paces. Gano'n kalaki sa kaliwa binigay mo dyan na din? Isang cup. Okay, to save up and down for par. To stay 2 over. Kung 8 paces, kahit mga size lang siguro.
Mali. Mali.
Nice spot. Big. Okay, hole number 9. Back to 3 over. 394 yards. Aim is to go over those bunkers now.
Nice shot. Open dun. Nice.
Landed sa line ng mga Lagos Coconuts.
Fire! Fire! Sayang. Fire!
Four! For my second shot, I'm left with 125 yards to the flag with the wind, so hopefully my 56-degree wedge is enough.
Bola, Luigi. Ba yun? Pabili pa.
Pulled my second shot. This is to go up and down for par. 20 yards left to right.
Lakas.
Mabilis nga yung pababa. Pasok! Pakimark! One.
Kaliwa, di ba?
Lakas! Nafi. Alright, hole number 10, 331. So the play is to aim for that heart sign. Okay, so currently I am 4 over. So the target dapat to break 80. Kailangan 7 over lang. So we need 3 over or better lang dito sa back 9. Ayun no? Hangin lang yan, brother. Kaya pumunta sa kanan. Good shot. Laki pa rin. Hangin talaga yan eh.
Down.
Tama ba, Rose? Rose ba? Pasukin naman, Rose.
Nice shot.
Dead. That's my card sign. Okay, for my second shot left with 70 yards to the flag. Okay, aiming for inside that ball. To go up and down for birdie if ever.
Nice shot. Ay, nagpak. Lambot.
Short, sayang. Bitin, sayang mga drive. So yan, dito malbog. Potentially to go up and down for par. Left to right, 11 yards. Never short, never short.
Pasok! Pasok! Nice birdie!
Pasok din! Oh! Team first birdie. Ganda. Ay! Kulang ang bigay ng caddy. That was a good birdie. Hindi ko in-expect yan. Okay, hole number 11, 514 yards. Okay, this is their signature hole. Ayan. So the play is very intimidating. Kaya the play is to aim for that middle tree. Ayan. Yun! Ay, too much. Bakit pati yung nice shot galit?
Nice shot. Fairway. Nice.
Landed dun sa maliliit na trees.
Nagsasabi lang.
Ganda, perfect cut. Nice shot. Okay lang. 280 pa to the flag. Course management lang. Hopefully dito. Subok.
Draw. Nice. Doon na sa baba. Okay lang. Bumaba naman
Expect
sir.
ko kakaliwa eh kasi yung stance natin. Okay, went straight to those trees. Hanapin na lang namin. Okay. My ball didn't draw dun sa second shot. Sumabit. So I'm still left with 120 yards against the wind. So aiming for that yung coconut sa middle. Hitting a 50-degree wedge.
Wow! Nice shot! On.
Hindi pa nag-draw yan ha.
Kasi alam ko yung stance pa kaliwa eh.
Nice shot.
Okay. Landed right of the green. Okay. 14 paces for birdie. Giving it right to left.
Ay, bumali ulit.
Balik. Uy, laki.
Sobrang laki talaga.
Sobrang bilis.
Ah, kulang.
Huling. Pinangay ng damo, no? Dito. Biglang kumangay.
Bogey.
B2B.
Kulang ang labas.
Sayang, B2B. Ang hina. Kala ko ba nag-showmay ka na? Lakas pa rin. Alright, hole number 12. Lakas ng against the wind. 346 yards. So the aim is, and the bunker on the left, and aim for that red stick. Ganda. Gandang lalaki. Nice shot. Good shot. Over the top lang eh.
Dapa.
Hindi ka mali pala yun.
May ganun ko palang palo.
Hindi ka mali pala yun.
Actually,
Nice shot. Dapok, kaliwa. Okay, pulled my tee shot. Left with 250 plus pa to the flag. So the pin is here somewhere. So Try ko lang mag-hybrid dito. If it draws, it draws. If it doesn't, hopefully nasa fairway.
Shot! Nice shot.
Okay, hindi nag-draw. Pero okay na rin. Right before, bunker ba yan? So right before the bunker tayo na. For my third shot, left with 63 yards to the flag. Right to left. Hopefully to go up and down for par. To remain 4 under. Ay, 4 under. 4 over. Kapal mo ko.
Shot! Bite! Balik!
Balik.
Nice shot.
Nice shot. Ganon. Nice shot. Okay, far. Par. Asan ko? Sakto lang. Maganda. Ayan, kay Christian sa kaliwa. Okay, for par. 6 paces. Super bilis daw. Mukha naman tayo left to right. Yung damo rin eh. Okay.
Break! Ayan. Kulang ng konti. Kulang na ng konti.
Pero grabe nga ang bilis, ano?
Mm-mm.
Enough the to ko na eh. Mahina! Kulang pa sa siomay.
Kala niya yata, ito siya sa kanya.
Dapat 4 pieces na siomay kinuha nito ni RB.
Sana nagturon ka pa.
Nice spot. Alright, hole number 13. Currently 5 over. 405 yards. Dog leg right. So the aim is right of that bunker. So aim for that house.
Nice shot! Lakas. Uy, nagpas ng red.
Okay, landed right off that bunker lang. Left with 130 yards. Hitting a pitching wedge against the wind.
Pakatay. Nalaka. Open. Laglag.
Safe.
Safe ba?
Mm-mm.
Okay, open. Sana safe. Yata sa landed right. Sobrang open. 20 yards to the flag. Right to left. I'll try to nip a 60 degree.
Nice. Pasok! Ay, paepag yung paano.
Thank you. Okay, par. Okay, at least par. Ginigib ko na sa sarili ko yan.
Nice par.
Pasok. Okay. Hole number 14. Currently still 5 over. Playing 140 yards. Pero wind is left to right.
Nice shot.
Ay, next time. Go!
Wala daw.
Landed right. Landed right of the pin. Sige pa. Go, go, go. Go, go.
Ay, kapos!
Okay, landed short and right. 19 paces. 19 yards para to the flag. So I'll try to hit a nippy 60 degree wedge.
Pasok!
Ay!
Ready, baby!
Nice, ready!
Pumasok! Naka-birdie na naman. Nachamban. Dapat pala kayo kasama ko parati. Nakaka-hold out. Ang ganda nun. Ayos ah. Nachamban natin nun. Sunta na. Nice spot! That was a very lucky hole out. So with that, I am currently 4 over. Swerte, dalawang hole out. So hole number 15. Yan. 434 yards. Dog leg left. The Aim is for that white stick. Left of that white stick with the wind.
Hindi pantay yung pa. Pero maganda. Nice shot! Tao ka ba?
Okay, fairway. Middle. For my second shot, left with 130 yards. Nag-against naman. Umiikot. Okay, hitting a 50-degree wedge.
Over ang 50.
Pinangay ng hangin. No? Kaliwa, sobra. Went left off the green. Landed in the bunker. 20 yards right to left. Tigas yata bunker yan. Bulan.
Ay, sa'yo walang buhangin eh.
Okay, went over. Lakas, 25 yards left to right. Mabilis. One putt. Come on, Nadine. Ngayon ko kailangan ng basa mo. Okay, that's the save bogey. Nice putt. Okay, this is to go up and down for bogey. To remain, or hindi, to be 5 over. Come on, come on.
Nice. Ay!
Okay. That was weird. That was a very terrible break. So, I need to par the last 3 holes. So, par 4. This is a par 5. Dog leg right. Tapos, left. Tapos pababa. Okay. Come on, Luigi.
Wow! Nice shot. Over. Nice. Over.
Buti tumalbog sa bunker.
Saan ka kasunod mo?
Yun, oh! Oh. Yun lang pala kulang niya. Hindi mo sinasabi. Kulang sa ganun si... Kulang ka sa ganun eh. That was a good drive to go for it. 180 with the wind hitting 7 iron. Sama ng tama. Towi. Okay, sana lang nakaabot. Okay, buti na lang safe. Carried. There. Okay, 25 yards left to right. I have this chip to go good down for par. Diretso na 12 yards uphill. Hindi pa right to left?
Pagdating. Left din sa harap, sir eh.
Simula sa kanan? Par, par, par. Sana par. That's good, that's good. Ganda. Nice putt. Perfect. Bilis nga, no? Oh, syempre.
Nice. Par.
Hindi ko nga hinatid eh. Okay, hole number 17. Need to par 1 hole. Par. Hindi. So, I need to par 2 holes. Hirap lang. Sabi mo yun, kala ko masaya ka na. Bilis bumawi ng 8 na lang. Ay?
Ano
Oh, tama, 8.
Sweet shot! Nice draw. All in one. Ala ka.
Sobra.
8, sobra.
Ganda ng tama. Sayang, ganda ng draw. Went over the green. Landed over. Ayun, okay lang, pull. Okay, went over 11 yards. I need to par this in the next hole to break 80.
Oy! Birdie! Ang galing. Pasado ka na, sir. Tama ka na.
Kung hindi shoot, lagpas.
Ayun, tama na yung kanina.
Nice par.
Nagpapakitang gilas talaga sa yung putter mo eh. Huwag mo daw siyang palitan.
Oo nga, biglang gumana.
Pasok.
Uy!
Okay, last hole. I need to par this hole to break 80. Come on, Luigi. 367 yards.
Dasal na to eh.
Aim is yan, that red stick left of that.
Yun o.
Ayun, sakto yung cut. Nice, sakto. Nice shot, brother.
Sana all.
Nice shot! Galing. Diretso. Ang layo.
Break 80. Okay. Landed. Sa may... Ha?
Mas okay ka, ako sundan.
Yun.
Hey!
Ayan, shout out sa aking caddy, si Nadine. Nadine, anong apel? Lustri?
Kahit ano sir.
Ayan, shout out kay Nadine. Yan, ang galing magbasa ng green. Hanapin nyo daw siya.
Sa TikTok.
Hanapin nyo siya sa TikTok. Like, follow, and magsusubscribe na rin daw siya sa YouTube channel. Thank you, Nadine.
Thank you sir.
Siya hanapin ko sa susunod. Magaling pala magdasal. Yun, malakas pala siya magdasal dahil sa puro naka-hold out, muntik pa magpangatlo kanina. Okay. I need to hit this close para naman easy potential par. 67 yards with the wind. Tirang mga 55 right to left.
More.
Ano ba yun?
Ala, tumigil.
Pahaba. Ano ba yun? 55 yards? Di ko pa napatong. Come on, Luigi. I have this uphill 22 yards right to left to go up and down for par to break 79. Ay, to break 80.
Sobrang laki.
Sa kanan. Uy, layo. Tama na, please. Ow! Ang bilis pala nun.
Ang yaman mo, sir. More! Pasok! Ay! Kulang!
Break 80 sana yun, 79 sana yun. Nice spot, brother. Tim, nice playing with you, brother.
Good game.
Brother, thank you, Christian, for hosting. Nice seeing you again. Lalunch ba kayo? Rose? Tama ba, Rose? Grace. Thank you very much, Rose. Ito si Grace. Grace? Shout out kay Grace. Thank you. At saka sa kanyang OJT na si... Oy, nahiya siya. Sige na, hi. Nahiya, say your name. Cellphone number para may player ka na. Makakuha ka na ng player. Ayaw mo. Brother, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Nice playing with you. And si Nadine. Sayang yung basa namin sa huli.
Galing mo dun sir.
Sayang. 80. Nice shot.